And now I will teach you how to assemble it.
Okay, watch it carefully.
Yeah, sure. Okay, the first step, just assembling the knob spring. Okay, just put here and use the tools. Okay.
Okay.
Like this. And also, next one is put the adjuster screw in this place. Okay. Lemon.
Lemon can turn off the light.
Okay. Okay, now
turn on it.
Now we're assembling the other parts. You see, now we are assembling the coin systems. Here we assembling the coin.
Yes.
You see, they have some gaps.
Yes.
Gap you must you see fix into this place so it will not move.
Okay.
And then it's assembling the screws. Normally when you screw, you must make it a little tighter.
Okay.
Just in case it's running out.
Oh.
So now we're assembling this coin system into the bodies. Okay. Especially you must notice here I have one gap. You must pin the coin. This coin rod must into this gaps. So this will be, you see, working like this. Okay. So now this step is done. And now we are assembling the bimetal systems. So also, first one you must put this screw and assembling this screw. Okay. Now we put into the okay. You see here also have one pins, the long pins, and in the bottom have one hole.
The pin should be inside the hole.
Yes, you must insert in this hole, and then you assembling this springs. So this part is ready. Okay, finished. And then we put this ash runner assembling in here. Okay.
So the next is the handle?
Yeah, next one is the handles. The handles you can see here, the in front have one hole here.
For connect the U
pins,
right?
Here, yes. You must connect this one here. So this one you need to put it on the surface.
Okay.
You see? When you're assembling the knob, the spring must be connected very in the right position. Otherwise, the function is not going well.
If you want to make your own MCB production line, in the future, we will send our engineer to go to your factory to teach you staff or teach you workers face to face. And here you guys can totally handle the whole processing. So there's nothing to worry. And at the same time, we will give you some assembly instruction.
You see now the knob is assembled. You can see also the spring is working.
Okay.
So this assembling work normally doing by the ladies. Yes, they are very carefully and their fingers is more small.
Yes.
So they can do this job very easily. Okay. So now we are assembling this latch into, you see this is one step here. We just put here. Okay. Yeah, like this. You can see this is flexible. But here after you put assembling the U pins connect one side is connecting with the latch.
One is connected with the knob.
Yes. Okay, this is the assembling.
Okay.
And then we put assembling the arch chambers.
Yes.
And also don't forget this arch chamber, this mouse, the position must
face the moving contact
and moving contact yes. the systems.
Yes.
And finally, this is the
operator.
Yeah, operator rod. And I think this is also very easily. You see, in this bimetal system, there are one hole here, and you put this long path. You see, this is the long one, and this is the short one.
The short one inside the hole. Yes, the short side inside the hole.
Okay. Yes, the short one is inset into the hole, and then you can see this yes. is done. Okay, and finally, you're assembling the cover. Put the covers. Okay,
and
you see,
the
assembling is ready. It's finished. The operation is very good.
Yes, sounds good.
Yes.